Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, and this is Melody, and today I'm going to share to you guys a recipe that is a hit every time I bring it to any family events or church gatherings. And since it is close to Thanksgiving here in the US, I feel like it is fitting that I am sharing this recipe to you because I can guarantee you guys it takes a lot of time in making it, but I can guarantee you that it's really a good dessert or food to bring to any family gatherings or to Thanksgiving. So the dessert is an apple caramel streusel cheesecake bar. I know the name is really long to say, but yeah, so let's just say let's just shorten it to maybe an apple cheesecake. That's how we're gonna call it. But yeah, it is a very good dessert, and I hope that you guys will like it. you guys for watching this video, and if you end up liking this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post new recipes like this and to more food adventures and exploration together. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for the love. Bye.